presentation, Mom. I will give you a presentation for your birthday. And I'll give you what I've learned and made from my engineering class. So, welcome to the bridge making part. As you can see, I have this bridge that I have made out of gumdrops and old-fashioned toothpicks. See, the structure has a middle secure and the ends connecting to it. I put at the points the gumdrops so they can stick together. Not only bridges can be only for just crossing a river or a gorge. Others could be drawn, like a castle bridge. We can also find out how bridges, they can go up to the castle and down the castle. Now, welcome to the class of Catapult. You know a little bit about the bridge now. A little bit defense. Let's learn about a little offense. Catapult has very good range. It bends back and it shoots. That's how the catapult works. It can shoot really far, and they mostly use it to raid castles. Another way is there's a rope around the spoon, the chute. And so when they pull it down with the rope and let go of the rope, it shoots. And it could be very powerful defending on the material you are using to shoot. Now you know the basics of catapult. So, now I will be talking about the windmill. The windmill is often used for making corn and pulling things. Let's say there's a boulder that is right near your castle and you want to lift it and use it for the last session I was talking about, your catapult. The wind power the windmill uses its power to twist and turn and pull the cup up as slowly it rises. Also, the wind turbine, every single wind turbine has 2, 3, or 4 propellers. These wind turbines. Then, you see how you have to bend them a little bit, like this a little bit, so you can get more stronger wind. If you bend them like this, you will get less stronger wind. Depending how many turbines you have, the more wind it will conduct. But sadly, it only conducts wind from forward, in front of it. So it can be only placed in one position. That is how these windmills work. So now I will be talking about the wind conductor, this mechanism. This is similar to the windmill, but it is also different. It's similar because it also uses wind for same purposes. But unlike how the windmill has only forward air, any direction of wind, it catches. Right, left, forward, backward, any direction. It is also not that special because it only stays at normal. It only stays at little conduct. Unlike the windmill, it could be slow. The windmill can be slow, fast, none, normal, but this only stays at normal. It's either not working or normal. So now I will talk about one of the main championships they did back then, jousting. Jousting was where 2 knights each had a horse, and they would have one long lance. When they get the lance, they start charging at each other on the horse. The main purpose is to one of the lances hits another knight off, and that gives the other team a win. Jousting wasn't also only for just fun and for the village. It was also for title. Lots of people, like kings, used champions from their village to go and joust. We made carts and added detail and fortified it. We had eggs and we put them in cups, and we made the cars crash. So now this is all my conclusion. You've learned about the civil engineer of the medieval time, about the catapults, the jousting, the bridge making, the drawbridges, the windmills, the wind conductors, all these very good, useful machines. Thank you, Mom, for this summer camp and to improve my engineering skills. I hope you have a really great birthday. Happy birthday.